Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am having throat difficulties right now, so if my voice sounds weird, that is why. I have a sore throat and I'm losing my voice, but I hope you enjoy the video anyways. So this is going to be a day in the life, and right now I'm just showing you guys I just got a new shipment in of paparazzi and I'm trying to get this all together to put it away. My room is a huge mess right now because I just sold my dresser and my desk and I'm trying to figure out what to do with everything now. So that's why it looks like this. Do you guys remember when I spilled the coffee on the rug and I actually scrubbed the whole rug and I thought I did such a good job? Well, it turns out I didn't because that stain is still there. As you can see the difference, okay, that's the coffee. Well, Alan here has discovered something amazing and I'm mind blown. So we decided to pick up this product today just to clean up the floor a little bit in case there was any odors or anything from the kitten girls, because we just want to clean our place really good for spring. Well, Alan was spraying this on the coffee stain today just to see what would happen, and he did this on purpose to show me the difference. He left this line here, he sprayed here, and he didn't spray here. This stuff took the coffee stain right up. Now do it on the other side, babe. Let's get rid of that other part. It's insane. So this is what is going on right now, and we're gonna see what it looks like after.
I actually got.
All right, so within just a few minutes, without even touching it, that stain lifted like crazy. Just so y'all know, this is not sponsored. We literally just got this from Walmart today because I was getting some laundry stuff and we was looking at the pet aisle. We picked this up. But anyways, yeah, I'll link it down below if you guys want to check it out. They have it at Walmart. I also got a new bottle of Suavitel today, and I got it in my wax warmer because I don't know if y'all know this, but you can put it in your wax warmer and it smells really good. There's another tip with Suavitel. You can make the fabric refresher, you can put it in here, you can also boil it, like simmer it, and oh my god, it's so good, girl. I also picked these up today because they smell really good and I have a lot of laundry to do, so yeah. And Alan picked these out because he really liked the smell of them. Pretty good, pretty good. I poured baking soda all over my rug because I like to do that every once in a while and then vacuum it up. It really helps with soaking up any smells you may have in your home. You can actually sprinkle it all over. You can even put it in your litter box and in your ice box and in your garbage disposal. You can put it everywhere. Okay, look at that. Completely gone, and I did not even have to scrub it or anything. I just sprayed it. Gone. Just in case you're wondering, that is a Walmart bag. Well, 2 Walmart bags stuffed in my back pocket. I had picked them up off the floor and I wanted to put them away, but I didn't feel like it at the moment, so I put them in my back pocket. So now I'm just going to mop my floor up with my Mrs. Meyer's lavender all-purpose cleaner, and I have it in my Grove Collaborative glass bottle mixed with water, and then I'm going to clean it up with my Swiffer. And now I'm just going throughout my apartment using this disinfectant spray. It's Walmart brand, but it smells really good. You should try it. And now I'm using my Mrs. Meyer's new spring scent, and this is peony, and I'm just cleaning off my kitchen countertops, and I'm using the dish soap in the same scent to clean out my kitchen sink. You can get all of these products plus more at Grove Collaborative. The link is in the bio. You can get all kinds of free stuff right now, so check that out if you haven't yet. I'm also taking some of this baking soda and I'm pouring it down my garbage disposal, and then I'm taking my Simply Earth Blood Orange Essential Oil and putting that down there as well. I let it sit there for a while and then I ran some water and turned on the garbage disposal. Okay, so speaking of essential oils, I just got the new Simply Earth box in. Alan has already taken out one of the oils. It was tea tree oil, and that's his favorite right now, so we've got that in the diffuser in our bedroom. But we've got nutmeg, lemon, Beau, Be Gone. We've got lots of sticker labels here for all of your DIYs, and in this box, it's really cool. They have recipes for a foaming hand soap, a laundry stain remover. They've got natural home diffuser, dishwasher detergent, tea tree and lemon surface cleaner, laundry detergent. Really good recipes, really easy to follow. This box also came with Castile soap, and you can use this to make your hand soap, and they also gave a empty spray bottle to make a spray. So this box is actually really good. Check it out. You will love it. Okay, so I know I look really bad, but girl, actually, I still have to finish cleaning my room, and then I have to get ready because my brother-in-law is coming over. So yeah, I'll get some footage of that. So I'll see y'all in a little bit. Bye. Hey girl, hey. I said, hey girl, hey.
No.
Yeah. Okay, so we just got back from the post office. We sent everyone's packages off, your paparazzi purchases, and what happened to my cup? I'm gonna make myself a cup of tea because my throat is hurting me. I'm trying this tea out for the first time. I don't have anything for my throat, so I was like, well, tea will do for now, I guess. This is actually from Grove. Check out the box, it's so cute. It's Grove Collaborative Organic Passion Fruit Herbal Tea, caffeine free. Comes in these cute little pouches. It smells really yummy, so I'm gonna try this out for the first time. And we're also waiting on my brother-in-law to come over. Alan's brother is coming to visit, and he's gonna bring his puppy. I don't know why I'm filming the floor and not myself, but, huh?
No dog.
No dog? My little cup of tea is done. Look at the little baby cup of tea. I got cute mugs though, right? All right, so this looks really good. I'm gonna do this a little bit. Where's your brother? So this tea from Grove is actually really good. It's sweet. Good choice. Me and Alan is the type of people that sit by the window and stand by the door and wait for guests. Even if it's hours, we'll just keep looking, waiting for them to arrive. Yeah, we do that. I'm having a crazy hair day today. What do you think about this? It's insane. So yeah, I woke up today and my throat was really weird, scratchy. It doesn't feel like a sore throat though. That's what's weird about it. Like, I don't know. If you guys remember a few days ago on the live, I was sneezing and stuff. Maybe I'm just getting a cold. So I've been eating these all day. I love Ludens. The cherry's my favorite, even though I just like to eat them as candy most of the time. But this is honey licorice. Ain't nobody got a treat for you. Go back. Get away. But yeah, I've been eating these all day, one after another. You're probably not even supposed to do that, but they're so good, and I love black licorice, so yeah, I probably need to go to the store and get some medicine. What's wrong? You want a treat? Come on, let's go get a treat. Guess I gotta give this girl a treat. Who wants a treat? Come on. Come on. I know you want one. Come on. Come on, both of you. Come on. Come get your treat. So we repurchased these yesterday. The cats really like them. Purina Beyond, grain-free, and it's the chicken and egg recipe. And Alan likes to say, it's got a brown egg. Okay, so they like brown eggs. But yeah, they really seem to enjoy these, so we bought these again. So Alan is FaceTiming his brother right now. He's actually on his way, and I'm really excited to see his pup Beau because it's been a long time since I've seen him, and I can't wait to see how the cats are gonna act with a dog. I'm kind of scared, but I'm excited at the same time. So you guys are gonna meet my brother-in-law. You've actually seen him before in an older video, but hopefully he'll be on camera today. Let's get some new updates on him, huh? All right, so my brother-in-law just pulled up, and I'm really nervous because I'm scared that my girls are gonna be scared of the dog, but hopefully they'll really like him. Okay, so they're fixing to walk up.
Bo's following him up, doing.
Get back, Cookie, get back.
Cookie?
I mean Kiki.
Kiki.
He's fixing to come.
Ah.
Hi, Beau. Hi, Beau. Welcome, Beau. You knew to come right in, huh? All right, let's see how this goes. Come on. Come on. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Oh, Cookie. Look, there's Cookie. Look how big Cookie got now. She's bigger than Beau. That for sure. That. Uh-oh. Cookie's hissing. Cookie's ready to pounce.
Cookie, be nice. Hi, Beau. Be nice. Wow. It's okay. It's okay, Beau. Oh, it's okay, Beau. It's okay, Beau. I'm scared. So this is my brother-in-law, Dylan. Hey, Dylan. Uh-oh.
He's gonna go after him.
Uh-oh.
No, he's tractable. Ah.
It's okay. See, Kiki? It's okay. Come on. Come on. Come on. Aw, I'm scared.
See, Mittens doesn't mind. It's Cookies who's, He has a hard time giving you the ball. Well, go get the ball. Bring it to you if he doesn't want to give it to you. You don't want to let it go.
Uh-oh, that's Cookie's toy. So I guess Cookie does not like puppies. Kiki really doesn't know what to think. And Beau is just doing his own thing. He is unbothered. Calm down. It's okay. It's okay. Be sweet.
Wow.
Uh-oh. Jealous. Be good. Be good. Be good. And then this happened. Okay, let's get back to the program now. Now we're at our favorite restaurant and we're getting something to eat, and it's just me and Alan.
Yeah.
Brother-in-law left. He didn't want to go eat with us, so
He couldn't hang.
He couldn't hang, so it's just us now. We're about to tear up some good food.
Yeah.
Best salsa ever, and Alan is salting up the chips. But this I could eat all day, seriously. I'm sorry, I got so caught up eating that I forgot to show all of the good food. We got fajitas. We always get fajitas and it's so good. So after we got done eating, we ended up playing a little Pokemon Go, and then we headed home and got ready for bed. So anyways, I just want to say thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Give us a thumbs up and leave us some comments down below. And we'll see you next time. Bye.